To access and use Samsung Secure Folder, go to your phone settings app. And first of all, make sure to sign into your Samsung account. Now scroll down in the settings and tap on Security and Privacy. And here, tap on More Security Settings. And here you will find this Secure Folder. Just tap on that. Tap on Continue. Continue. And here we can see my secure folder is creating. And now we have to set a pattern, pin or password for the secure folder. So I'm selecting here pattern and simply draw a pattern, confirm the pattern, and here you can turn on reset with Samsung account. So if you forget how to unlock secure folder, you can reset your lock using your Samsung account. So I'm tapping on turn on and tapping on next. And here you can see the secure folder. And now to find out your secure folder, just from your app library, here you'll find the secure folder. Just open secure folder. And now tap on this plus icon. And here you can add any app in this secure folder list. Let's add WhatsApp. Tapping on add. And here you can see the WhatsApp added. You can create a private WhatsApp account from the secure folder. To do that, just tap on WhatsApp and go ahead and create a secure WhatsApp account. And now I'm going to gallery section. And here you can see currently here is no photos and videos available. Now, to add photos and videos to this secure gallery, go to your gallery and select one or multiple photos. Tap on more and just tap on move to secure folder. And your selected photos and videos will be removed from your default gallery and will be stored in your secure folder. So go to secure folder, go to gallery, and here you'll find your secure photos and folder. Okay, now if I try to open secure folder, as you can see the secure folder is open without any password or pattern. To set pattern instantly, go to settings again and again go to security and privacy. Again tap on more settings, tap on secure folder, and here we can see auto lock screen. Auto lock secure folder, just tap here and here you have to select each time I leave an app. And now on, whenever you try to open secure folder, you have to verify your pattern or passcode.